Want to find your Google two-step verification backup codes? In this video, I'll show you how to access your Google backup codes quickly on your phone. These backup codes help you sign into your Google account if you lose access to your authenticator app or verification device. First, open any browser on your phone and go to Google Account Settings by searching for Google Account or visiting the official Google Account page. Now, sign in to the Google account where you enabled two-factor authentication or Google two-step verification. Once you're logged in, tap on the Security section. Then scroll down until you find How you sign into Google. Here, look for the option called Security Codes and tap on it. Google may ask you to verify your identity again for security reasons, so just complete the verification process. After that, your Google security codes will appear on the screen. These are the emergency codes you can use to log in. Make sure to keep these codes private and stored somewhere safe, because anyone with these codes can access your account. If you think your backup codes were exposed or you simply want a fresh set, tap the Refresh or Regenerate option to create new Google security codes instantly. And that's how to find security codes for Google two-step verification. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Google account security tutorials and step-by-step tech guides.